Uh, I wrote this poem after finding a rose, a single rose, in from the rose bush in my garden. I call it the first rose of summer. As springtime fades and summer beckons, flowers bloom in all directions, with dotted fields and scented bowers, sweet odours sway with gentle powers, and yet with all this beauty that abounds, there is nothing like the first rose that's found, with petals like velvet in your hand. This fragrant garner's soft and grand. It speaks of love and all that life's renewing, a symbol fleeting yet enthralling, growing from bud to awesome bloom, with beauty's unsurpassed for room. Throughout the sunshine and the haze, this wondrous gem on which I gaze, inspiring love and life to reign, tapping nature's deepest vein. Mm. And this poem is for the love of nature, which I wrote. I don't know. I felt I needed to argue for the love of nature. Can't remember why. For the love of nature, groves and greenery are in my soul, lining the path that keeps me whole. These verdant hues, a calming sight, the spread of nature holds pure delight. Forming nests to cure for birds, feeding chicks in their herds, rustling leaves join in the music. This universe is a joyous picnic. Trees and plants of all descriptions, and remedies of all depictions, the oxygen of life's creation, the flavoured airs of sweet oration, where children play and lovers kiss, and water dreams are made of this. The background to each earthly plot, shall we dare we not? Uh, this poem is partly inspired by R.D. Laing's book Knots, which is a sort of portrayal of circular thinking. So this is A Wee Lull in the Storm, which is also the first line. A wee lull in the storm, a panic mare for what's to come, woolly socks and hat, thermal longs and gloves, and my walking nest. Against the thunder, the quick of lightning, the mull of darkness, the house of rain, or is it sleet? No time to feel, no time to run, but to bowl like a tracking dog, trying to overtake the wind, to reach and undertake a wee lull in the storm. Uh, this is a bit of a transition poem in this video between the nature and the love. It's a mixture of both. It's called Kaleidoscope. Your hair, your face revolve with each step of a waltz that was composed as we spun, wind-swept and swaying into the sun. Purple and brown, swelling into pink and yellow. Dizzy and giddy, we reach for a kiss. Stable and able, we never do miss. Shamrocks and heather, wild in a field. Roses and daffodils, and all that they yield. Flashes of rivers, trees all around. The waltz chorus echoes its lavish sound. Lying exhausted, we finally reach sand, fingers entwined as we hold each hand. This poem is about personal soul. I'm going to let it stand for itself. That budding promise. In youth we vowed our love would last forever, as we laughed and danced hand in hand together, our joy as bright as summer sunlit rays. But now the years have passed, as time's winds plays. The once vibrant dances have now slowed, and our smooth skin has withered where it once glowed. Though torn by time's sustained ravages, our love remains true through all its stages. We've changed and grown each passing year, our love a constant that has no fear. Oh, alas, our youth may have slipped away, our love endures brighter than an aurora spray. For in our hearts that budding promise still rings true, forever, yes, I will love you. Yeah, this is was inspired by a daydream I actually had at the beach. Um, a summer's daydream. In the waves, ghosts of pirates dance. The sky embraces their vast expanse. Their treasure lost, but still they waltz through fairy dust and thunderbolts. The sun breaks through the bedlam awe. The seagulls heave a loud guffaw that echoes to the ocean floor, disturbing seaweed by the shore. To where I lie and face the heavens, those crooked clouds at 6 and 7s, searching for a thought that calms, I could be in your arms. In the twilight, with wind so still, and in my hand a daffodil, a humble gift from me to you, suggesting that my heart is true. This is a poem about the resilience of love. I call it Unbroken. Love begins as a seed, small and silent, its zigzag growing, often hesitant. But soon it bursts at a joyful pace and hastens to its sweet embrace. It spreads its arms wide and open, as if to say, I'm here unbroken, this force that binds us tight will be with you day and night. Love can be as gentle as a warm summer breeze over a summer's hall on a stretched trapeze. It can whisper sweet nothings, soft and low, or shout with passion, I will never let you go. Love can be tender as a mother's embrace, or strong and enduring as the human race. It can be more profound with each passing day, a deepening message here to stay.